Namaste students, this is Bhavani Shankar. Today we are going to discuss the classification of soil in India, major soils of India. In our previous video, we discussed about the soil as a resource. We discussed about everything about soil. Now in this video, we are going to discuss classification of soil. So I start the classification with the most prominent one and fertile soil of India, that is alluvial soil. So this soil is deposited by rivers. Rivers deposited this soil. So the main three river system of India, that is Indus, the Ganga and the Brahmaputra system. So these are deposited by the three Himalayan main rivers, that is Ganga, Brahmaputra and Indus. The next one, that is this soil is composed of sand, silt and clay. We already discussed the meaning of sand, silt and clay. This classification is based on the size of the particles, that the particles of sand is somewhat bigger than silt and the particles of silt is somewhat bigger than the clay, and clay is composed of the finest particle of soil. So different type of percentage of sand, silt and clay is found in this soil. Now you can see the classification of alluvial soil. First student, I want to tell you that this classification is based on the age. The criteria of this classification is age, and on age the alluvial soil are classified into old alluvial and new alluvial, as its name indicating that somewhat this is old and this one is new, and regional language these are known as Bangad. Old alluvial is known as Bangad and new alluvial is known as Khadar. Students, sometimes in examination the classification is asked in examination for 3 mark question, and to get this 3 mark you have to write down 3 points. The first one, that old alluvial is also known as Bangad, the new alluvial is also known as Khadar. The next point or the next difference between these, that is the concentration of conker nodules. So old alluvial concentration of conker nodules is high, and when I am talking about the new alluvial, that is Khadar, the concentration of conker nodules is less as compared to old one, and of course the old one is less fertile than the new alluvial soil. So these are the 3 points you have to write down in your exam. Now you can see the content of alluvial soil. That one is potash, phosphoric acid and lime. So these are the chemical concentration of alluvial soil, which supports different types of crops. You can see the major crops which are grown in alluvial soil are sugarcane, paddy means rice, and wheat and pulses, depending upon the other climatic factors. If I am talking about Punjab, then in alluvial soil wheat is grown. If I am talking about the Bengal, Bihar, then priority is given to the rice crop. Now students, where these alluvial soil found? That is our next point. So here you can see the map of India. You can see this one is the northern plain. Why this is known as northern plain? Because it is located in north and it is a plain area. You can see this northern plain covers the area of Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Bengal. So alluvial soil are found in northern plain, which comprises the states of Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Bengal. And you can also see in this map that it is also found in some parts of Gujarat and Rajasthan through a narrow corridor. This is the narrow corridor. It is also found in Gujarat and Rajasthan, students. It is found in deltaic region also. You can see this is the eastern coastal plain. This is the eastern coastal plain areas, and you can see that it is found in the deltas of Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri. Alluvial soil is found in deltas of Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri. What do you understand by delta? Students, river at the mouth, when river drain its water in the sea, it bifurcated into various streams and forms the delta. So this is the areas where the alluvial soil found. You have to fill the map according to it. This is the physical map of India, and you can see the states where alluvial soil found. So students, this is all about the alluvial soil. That first thing, that it is the most prominent soil in India, prominent soil of India, and the most fertile one. It is deposited by rivers. It composed of sand, silt and clay. The chemical concentration, you have to keep it in mind. Other than this, where it is found. So students, the classification is also very important for 3-mark question. So this is all about the alluvial soil. Thank you so much. In our next video, we are going to discuss black soil. Namaste.